Get excited about the 2012 Mazda 3. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Mazda prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.